In a sunlit office, Maya hits send on a playful group chat plan meant for a friend, only to realize the message was destined for her boss. Her screen buzzes with panic as the note about after-hours drinks is read aloud by a surprised manager, who must improvise to save face. Across town, Leo types a cheeky crush message to his phone, but accidentally sends it to his grandmother, who replies with tea recommendations and sage, surprisingly sweet encouragement. A Sunday brunch selfie caption, meant for a dating app, lands in his sister's chat, revealing burnt toast recipes and a flurry of curious questions from relatives. By evening, the trio drafts a new rule. Laugh at the cringe, share the story, and keep memories alive through humor rather than fear of embarrassment.